Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this very annoying unknown USB device error in Windows 11. So the first step you want to do is open Device Manager. You can type Windows R, but you can also go Device Manager. Look under Universal Serial Bus Controllers or USB controllers, and you should find the problem here. It should look like this. It should have a little exclamation point next to it. You right click on it and you say uninstall device, and then you restart your PC and Windows will reinstall the device automatically. If that doesn't work, you can try to download the driver directly from the manufacturer. If you've tried this and it still doesn't work, what you might want to do is change the boot fast. So what you want to do is click on Windows plus R, type in Control. That'll bring up your control panel. You want to go to System and Security. You want to go to Power Options, and then you want to click on Change what the power buttons do. And what you want to do is you want to turn this off. So you want to turn off, uncheck, turn on fast startup, save changes, and restart your computer and see if that works. That will work for most people. Now, if you've done that and it still doesn't work, what you want to do is go to Control Panel, go to Power Options. You want to click on Change Plan Settings, change Advanced Power Settings, go to USB Settings, USB Selective Suspend Setting, and setting, you want to click this as Disable. And you want to do this to make sure that Windows is not putting your USB to sleep. Okay, let me know if that fixed your problem. If it did, leave the video a like. If it didn't, leave the video a comment, and I'll do my best to find out what the problem is.